All right, but over here, going through this pile of parts is something very special. Just gotta get through it. Unfortunately, the audio went and took a poop after this. Don't know why, just constant static. But the very special car that you are seeing here in front of us is a 1970 and a half. I know some people argue about the half, but it's a 70 and a half Camaro Z28 RS. Yes, it's a real Z28 Camaro RS sitting in a junkyard, and it's complete. Other than a few little trinkets, the engine looks to be complete. Yes, it was someone's hot rod, but the engine, you'll see it in some pictures, and you can see it a little bit here. The hood hinges were rusty. The engine's there, the transmission's there, the interior was there. This car is absolutely it. My jaw dropped when I saw this car sitting in the junkyard with the rubber bumper, the grill. I mean, the car was intact. It's a Z28 RS Camaro, split bumper. Everyone wants them. And it's just rotting away in the junkyard, unfortunately. So yeah, but how cool is that? Let's see if we can make out any of the documentation. But, yep, you don't see that every day. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh, come on, adapt. There we go. You can see the engine and such is still there. Even the front end is still there. Probably restorable. I'll probably go where my friend Doug is and try to shoot back and get a view from that side. Alright, there's the Z. There's another Camaro 350 here.
First started getting into cars, there was a special car review. It had like the top pony car.
And then Torino.
That's the one I think.
Oh, big old plate. I can get in here. There you go. Oh, aluminum. 70 Z28, 70 and a half, whatever you want to call it. That is cool. And then, ooh, a Chevy Tracker. Unfortunately, the Z28 was at the end of a route through the yard. So by the time we got here, we were always exhausted. Yeah, we could have gone there first, but that's not the way it felt the few times that we went out there. It was always the last thing. But at least we got a good coverage of it. I don't know why I didn't get any pictures of the interior, though. That's really surprising. And I know that one of the video clips was corrupted. So unfortunately, what I have is what's available right now. But don't forget that you can get more information in the description. Hey, automotive adventurers. Hope you enjoyed that video series from my friends Junkyard in Michigan. It is all for sale. Don't forget that. You just got to contact them at the link. Their email is below in the description. So that's up to you. Hope it goes well. I mean, how crazy is it? I mean, with all the GTOs, the Mach 1 Mustangs, Berger Camaro, Z28, 70 and a half Z28 RS Camaro, complete in the junkyard. I mean, what are the odds? And I was very fortunate to document them before things changed even more. I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of the handful of cars that have already been sold, like the 67 GT Mustang, the 2 Fastbacks, and the 71-ish, we think, Z28. But yeah, next week I got a video on a 70 CUDA rescue that I was actually a part of, which was really exciting. I hope you guys enjoy that one, because I just got done with 2 events. I was at a concert on Saturday, Train, the band, which was a disaster. I won't get into that right now. And then Sunday was the Illinois Railway Museum Transportation Fest. So that was a really nice car show, train show, truck show. A lot of fun. I'll post a few pictures from here, from the show, because I noticed that a lot of people don't like my event coverage, and I know I don't do it very well, so I don't think I need to wear you guys out on that. But coming up is the big stuff. I leave in 2 days from when I'm filming this, I'm heading to Detroit. Friday is a press event with Dodge. Saturday is Roadkill Nights. Sunday, I have a few options, but then all week is events in the Detroit area. I got Donut Cutter, the Mopar Gathering on Wednesday. I have some barn finding stuff I have to do. And then Woodward Dream Cruise. I haven't been in 2 years because I had weddings to go to. So it'll be nice to go back and be with my friends. I normally set up shop around north of 13 Mile on the northbound side. If you know where the old Art Van furniture store is, it's now like I think an office area. I'm across the street usually. You'll see either the blue Challenger or maybe a GMC pickup truck or something, depending on what my friends bring. That's usually where I set up to photograph and video and all that fun stuff. So if you are out there, my plan is to every day of the week that's not pouring rain, I will be out there watching cars cruise. So hopefully I'll see you guys out there. I will be posting on all my social media like usual. And as you know, I post a new video on here every Friday or every Monday, 8 a.m. Central Time. So I will talk to you guys all soon, guys and girls. Share, like, and subscribe. Helps to keep the channel going. So I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.